Hi, Matthew. Thanks for joining. Do you want to introduce yourself?
Yeah, I'm Matthew Jones. I'm from St. Augustine, Florida. I go to Ponte Vedra High School and I'm in 11th grade.
That's amazing. Do you want to share a little bit on what have been your experiences in math and how did you get so involved and interested?
Yeah, it kind of started all back in the COVID area when we're all locked down. I was kind of just trying to find something to do, and I stumbled across art of problem solving, and I did a lot of classes with them, and I really liked the problem solving aspect of math rather than like what's traditionally kind of taught in schools, which is more like the drill based kind of math. And eventually, like once the COVID era ended, I went and looked for opportunities outside of just math classes once I came to Florida about 3-ish years ago. And I'm here today.
That's awesome. Yeah, I definitely can relate because I took a lot of art of problem solving classes as well. What has been your journey like with math circles or other after school math things that you're involved in?
Definitely a large one. It started off small. I wanted to take the AMC 10 and the Orlando Math Circle was providing it, so I just did it with them, and I assumed it was going to be a one-time thing, and I'd be done with it after that. But then they offered me to teach classes, and I was like, sure. And then I kind of went down that rabbit hole, and I taught a lot. And in the end, I kind of ended up starting my own math circle. I go to like gifted parents meetings and teach little kids math, and I attend like cool little events in both Orlando and St. Augustine, and I help the really smart kids. Like there's this one fifth grader I was teaching the other day who understood concepts of calculus, and I'm happy that I can be there and help those people learn math when the school system fails them. So,
That's really sweet, and I'm really glad that you got to make that impact on people. The final question I have here is, what was your experience like hosting these workshops with your math circle? Like, what is some of the impact that you see on these young kids?
I definitely see a lot. Like, I'm gonna go ahead and focus on one student. I'll omit her name for privacy reasons, but in the beginning, she was like kind of like really timid and shy, but she's definitely gotten a lot more confident after like having attended events, and she's gotten to the point where she's like actually able to or wanting to start hosting her own events and teaching other people math, and she can like speak next to like college sophomores and juniors about math, and she's only in middle school. So I definitely see a lot of like leadership coming from them, and then uh, they just get better at math overall. Like when they're interested in math, like you can tell, and they'll just seek it out and get a lot better at it.
I'm really glad you were able to be a part of their journey. Do you have like a last piece of advice you want to say to close us off?
Um, I just say that I'm really passionate about helping younger kids learn math, and I think that there should definitely be more opportunities for all the kids out there who can't, the school system won't teach them the math that they need. Like when I wanted to take higher level math classes, I had to fight the school system for it. And I wish there were more opportunities for younger kids, such as myself, or even like younger kids, like the fifth grader who could understand calculus, for them to make more advancements in math too.
That's awesome. Well, thank you so much, Matthew. Okay.